Well, the big question is whether this is a turning point for international order, for the international order that was established after the Second World War and after the Cold War. And we've seen with the rise of China, rise of India, other emerging economies that are not traditionally associated, all of them, with the liberal international order. The question arises whether they're going to be challenging that order or whether they're going to be accepting to a very great extent. Until now they have accepted, they have bought in because it has been beneficial to them, but in other respects they represent alternatives to this order. China's authoritarianism, Russia's authoritarianism, there is not a commitment to liberal democratic principles from these countries. And for Europe, I think that partly it's diminishing importance in the long term as a share of the global economy, as a share of the global population. It is going to be less important, or at least perceived to be less important. I mean, already there are questions raised about why should two European countries have seats on the Security Council, Great Britain and France, when there are so many countries that are not represented on the Council, just to give one example. So in addition to working out its problems internally, as far as the future of the European Union, possibly post-Brexit, there are going to be questions about Europe's role in the world and the extent to which it too is going to be challenged. The model that it represents is going to be challenged by the rise of these other powers and the preferences that these other powers have.